Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you all about my different streams of income and how I've been able to invest in a lot of exciting projects, travel the world, and buy a house in this economy. So my first stream of income, which has been my biggest and my main stream of income for the last few years, is my full-time job. So actually, by the time I'm going to be releasing this video, I will have already quit my job because I am finally going full-time with YouTube and my side businesses in 2024. Which is really exciting and something that I've been looking forward to for a long time. So I can tell you that for the past 3 years, I have been a professional recruiter at Amazon. So pretty much what it means is I'm responsible for recruiting and hiring design talent. So I've been recruiting a lot of talented designers to build apps and interfaces for products like Alexa, Prime Video, Fire TV, and a lot of exciting Amazon branded devices. This job was absolutely life-changing and allowed me to achieve a lot of my lifelong personal and financial goals. It was really good for my career, my personal brand, and also really helped me in a lot of my business ventures. However, this year I really felt like it was time to move on from this career and pursue something that I've been really passionate about, which is content creation and coaching. Obviously, I'm not going to disclose how much I was making in this job, but I do want to let you know it was in the healthy 6 figures, and it is a job that I will forever be grateful for. All right, the next on my list is my career coaching practice. So as I mentioned to you, I was able to build a really great personal brand thanks to my full-time job at a really prestigious tech company. And that is something that has helped me to build a coaching practice where pretty much what I do is I help a lot of design talent with their resumes, portfolio reviews, and interview skills to help them land jobs at Fortune 500 companies. Because I've been in a very niche market, which is design, I've had a very little competition so far. So for the past 3 years that I've been running my coaching practice, I've been able to attract a lot of clients without ever paying for any advertising. So that's something that I'm super thankful for. And I was able to turn this side hustle that used to only bring me like a couple of hundreds of dollars every month into now my second largest stream of income, which brings me on average a few $1,000s every single month while doing this part-time. So if you're thinking about opening your consulting business or coaching business, my biggest recommendation is niche down as much as possible. I know you're tired of hearing about this. It really helps you to stand out and attract more clients. So the next side hustle, which used to be my second largest side hustle, but is not anymore, is also career coaching, but through a third-party company. However, those clients are not really my clients, so I don't make as much money as I do in my private practice. But thanks to this consulting role, I don't have to spend much time with business development, so clients kind of come to me. It is very flexible and I have full control over my own schedule. So that has been a really great side hustle that I've now had for almost 4 years. And that was exactly the side hustle that back in the day helped me to pay off all of my debt. And now I'm still doing this because it is my passion project and I really love making a difference. I just wanted to show you that if you do have a full-time job in a specific niche, you can use a lot of these transferable skills to start making money on the side through either private consulting or third-party consulting, because learning any skill in a job is very valuable. So you can always think outside of the box where else you can apply those skills and experience to create additional streams of income. All right, guys. So next on my list is YouTube AdSense. I know this one might come as a surprise because if you've been watching a lot of these videos, for most YouTubers and creators, AdSense is kind of one of the bottom streams of income, especially compared to like affiliate marketing or brand deals. I'm not quite at that point yet, so I have been making a pretty decent money with brand deals, but because I don't get them as consistently, AdSense is still kind of my largest stream of income when it comes to content creation. If you've seen my how much YouTube paid me in 2023 video, which if you haven't, I'm gonna list them in one of these corners, you know that 2023 was a huge year for me in terms of growth here on YouTube, and both in terms of the number of subscribers and AdSense revenue. Making money off of YouTube AdSense has literally been my dream since I was probably like 15 years old and learned that you can make money on YouTube. So I have been super blessed and excited to be generating this passive revenue with my content for the past couple of years. And my biggest goal for 2024 is to grow this stream of income as much as possible. Oh wait, I almost forgot. If you're enjoying this video so far, please make sure to hit that like button because as you know, it really helps small YouTubers like myself. And in general, if you enjoy content about side hustles, entrepreneurship, and productivity, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, sorry, let's get back to the video. All right, the next on my list is brand deal income. It is honestly so crazy to me to even be mentioning this stream of income because in the most recent video that I filmed talking about all of my streams of income, I don't even think I had brand deals at the time, but this year I've actually been getting like a consistent amount of brand deals to the point where I've actually been rejecting some of them, which is something that I can't can't even imagine doing in 2022. But yeah, I've been having a great time partnering up with a lot of really cool brands and really learning this whole influencer marketing and brand deal world. I've partnered with multiple companies in the software, investing, apparel, and education industries, and I'm really hoping to continue partnering up with more brands. By the way, if you are a small content creator and you're really curious about how you can make money with brand deals, even if you don't have a lot of subscribers, like when I'm filming this, I still don't even have 10,000 subscribers yet. And some of you may know that I landed my first brand deal when I only had like 1,500 subscribers. So if you want to learn how to land brand deals as a small content creator, I recently released a mini course which you can access on Skillshare or my website. So if you're curious, make sure to check the links down below. All right, great. So my next stream of income is affiliate marketing. So this is another one of those income streams that I'm really looking to grow in 2024, because this one is actually one of those streams of income that is pretty much 100% passive. So in all transparency, something I'm learning is that affiliate marketing definitely gets a lot easier once you start growing an audience. I feel like that's something that I really try to get into when I had a much smaller following, but I think my strategy this year is that I'm actually really focusing on growing my channel and then investing more in affiliate marketing, because with affiliate marketing, it's definitely a volume game. So if you are a small content creator and you don't have much of an audience and traffic, you're probably not going to see a lot of results from affiliate marketing, and that is okay because that's literally how it works. But in the meantime, I still try to add my affiliate links into almost every single video and onto my websites, both my coaching and now my YouTube website. So could be a really great way to earn additional money. All right, and next one is creating UGC content. So I've had a few companies that I've been partnering with where they're not ready to invest into the videos on my YouTube channel because, I don't currently have a huge following, but because they've really enjoyed my content and love the quality of my videos and the way that I structure my videos, they have been hiring me consistently to create UGC content. If you're not familiar with the term UGC, it stands for user-generated content, which has become a really popular trend and a very big part of the creator economy in the past few years. There are a lot of brands out there that want to have more of that user-generated content to create more credibility and create more of that organic presence. So even if you don't have a huge following, but you do have great editing skills, or you just have eye for like aesthetic, or you just know how to create cool videos, I do think that you should explore the UGC field, because that's something that has been consistently bringing me money over the past couple of years. So the next one on my list is my investing in dividend income. So this one is kind of more of those boring traditional income streams, but I'm a huge fan of putting my money to work. So I've been trying to invest as much as possible, both into the stock market, and in the past couple of years, I've also really gotten into REITs, real estate investment trust. As you probably know, through my partnership with Elevate Money and my Fundrise videos, we all know that it's very important to diversify your investments. So I definitely recommend checking out REITs. By the way, if you want to earn $50 towards your portfolio when you open a Fundrise, you can use my referral link down below. Then also, if you're interested in kind of the new and trendy app, you should check out Elevate Money, which I'll also list down below. So the next on my list is selling digital products. So this one I've talked about quite a few times on this channel, but pretty much these days, especially with AI, you can create so many simple digital products that you can then sell on places like Etsy or Creative Market or on your own website if you have enough traffic. I've personally been selling resume templates on both Etsy and my coaching website, and it's been a really great passive source of income. The great thing about digital products is that you only have to create them once, and nowadays you don't even actually have to design them. You can just use AI to create them for you. So again, super easy way to make money. All you really need to do is to drive traffic, and the rest of that can be done on autopilot. All right, and then the very last stream of income that is worth mentioning is just the interest from my savings account. So even though a lot of people are complaining about high interest rates, I think most people think of it in the context of like mortgages and real estate. However, high interest rates could also be very beneficial when it comes to your savings accounts. I remember during COVID, I barely put any money in my savings and mostly invested it because most of the banks were only offering like less than 1% interest on their savings, which now the bank that I use, which is Barclays Savings, is offering more than 4% in interest. So for the first time in many years, I actually don't feel bad like keeping a bunch of cash in my savings accounts, because now I'm making like hundreds of dollars every month just from like keeping that money in my savings account, which I won't really need for a long time. Obviously, I still have a decent money in my investing, like retirement and REITs accounts, but my personal philosophy has always been that you do need to have cash in your savings accounts in case of an emergency, or if it's something that you need to access fairly quickly. So having cash in your savings account is actually a great idea during this time because of high interest rates. All right, guys, thanks for sitting through this video. I hope this didn't come across as bragging. As you guys know, the whole purpose of this channel is showing you how to create multiple streams of income through side hustles, investing, and creating your own business. So I really hope I gave you some ideas on how you can diversify your own streams of income and create the freedom and flexibility that I'm very much so enjoying right now after quitting my full-time job. As always, if you enjoy content about side hustles, investing, and productivity, make sure to hit the subscribe button because I am trying to be very consistent this year and post a video every single week. And I will see you guys next week. Bye!